Hello! So we're going to have a look at the OpenShot Video Editor initial tutorial. Welcome to the OpenShot Video Editor. It's award-winning open source video editing application. This tutorial will walk you through the basics. Would you like to automatically send errors and metrics to help improve OpenShot? They do ask you this during installation. If you do want to do that, tick yes, I would like to improve OpenShot, otherwise leave it unchecked. And project files. Get started with your project by adding video, audio and image files here. So this is where they will all go, and you've got some filters along the top here. Defaults to show all, but if you click video, it'll just show you videos, audio, images, just images, which is a nice little feature. Drag and drop files here from your file system. This is the timeline. Arrange your clips on the timeline here. Overlap clips to create automatic transitions. Ooh, that looks good. Access lots of fun presets and options by right-clicking on clips. Video preview, what's your timeline video preview here? Use the buttons play, rewind, fast forward to control the video playback. Cool, so pretty standard so far. Export video, when you're ready to create your finished video, click this button to export your timeline as a single video file. Always an important button to know. And that's it for all the basics. We've got project files, video preview, timeline, export video, and that's it. So it has kept true to its name with its simplicity, and that's it for the welcome tutorials. Hope that's given you a bit of a quick preview before you decide whether to install OpenShot or not. Hope that helps, and hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more OpenShot tutorials, and we shall see you again soon. Bye!